Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Currently, Sydney, I've got this Porsche 997 C4S we're working on. So today we took the car for a blue slip check, and they said to me to get the CV boot changed. The front right hand side outer, here. So you can see here, that's a brand new CV boot. If you can look at the actual, see those stuff, all the stuff that's dirty here, that's from the old CV boot, or the oil was coming out. So we got a new one there. That inner one was alright, so we're just replacing it. But to do that job, everything here have to come off. The bottom, this part here, off, so you can actually move this out to take the drive shaft out, because the drive shaft, there's no room inside there for you to drop it down. So you're going to take all those 6mm out as well. Oops. And then you're going to take this one off as well, and so you can take the whole shaft out, so we can do the rebuild. Alright, so everything's done, so we'll be putting it all back together now. And then brake caliper is going to come off as well. Pretty much a full strip down to do a drive shaft on a C4S. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.